Alrighty, so welcome to the inside of the course. I'm so glad that you decided to join. We're going to be having a lot of fun in this course, and we really are going to be giving you very powerful exercises that are really going to change your hand and the strength in your hand and the coordination between both hands. So you definitely made the right choice by joining. I can't wait to show all this stuff to you. So first things first, I in the introduction video, I promised you a picture chord book as a free bonus to this course. So you can download that in the attachments area of this lesson. So just look for the attachments button either below me or above me, depending on what platform you're watching this on, and you will be able to download that in this video, okay? So I'm going to be taking you step by step through this course. I'm going to be showing you really important finger exercises and just giving you some very valuable tips that are going to help you really understand how to play much more effectively. And the techniques are also going to literally make you stronger and more flexible, right? So this is going to be a complete game changer for you. If you enjoy the course, please leave me an honest review. That would really help me out. And also, feel free to contact me and ask me questions within the course anytime. I'm here to help you, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. All right, so without any further ado, let's get into our first lesson, where I'm going to be talking to you about, believe it or not, stretching, okay? All right, I'll see you there. All right, see you there. Bye-bye.